My name is Hong Lee. I'm working for Donders Institute. It's a research institute from the Radboud University in Nijmegen in the Netherlands. The researchers, because of the policy, they have to archive their data after they finish their project. So before a while ago, the way they archive their data is basically get two portable drives, and they just copy data there and make two copies, and we physically located this drive in a room, and then we do the paper bookkeeping about where the data is located and etc. So it's manageable to some extent, but since the organization is growing, this becomes a headache. So then we build this data management system. Now the researchers can really do these things online and doesn't have to wait until the project finished. During the project, they get certain space in this data archive system, and they just start putting data there without even knowing that it's powered by iRODS system. So I think that is very important part. We see iRODS is a system that provides flexibility to build up an interface that hides all these complexities from the end users. I think most of the system we saw, they either not flexible or they don't really provide you the possibility or easy of use for migrating data from one storage to the other storage systems. And the potential of iRODS we see here is that on one hand it provides flexibility to customize it for your use cases. On the other hand, for the system administrator, for the person who manage or making sure the data is long-term accessible, they can also use the same system to easily transfer data from one storage system to the other. And that's, I see, very unique in iRODS.